Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, we're going to be talking about Wayland Group. They had an amazing news this morning. They came out with a news saying that they are entering the South American cannabis market of a $22 million acquisition. Basically, they're using 100% of the outstanding shares to buy a company called Columbia Pharmaceuticals SAS at $2 per share, which, you know, is pretty good because, like, considering the fact that the stock is like $1.60, $1.50 right now. So that's a pretty good deal for them, in my opinion. I could totally see the stock going back to $2, at least $2 in the short term. Long term, I say the stock could go back to $4, depending on how management execute. I do believe in management. I've done my research and I really like this company. I went out in the morning and I kind of bought some stock. I could have bought at a better deal if I camped the stock a little better, but oh well, whatever. That's life. Yeah, let's see where the stock is right now. In the morning, I bought the stock at 154, and then it declined all the way to 151. I could have, you know, bought it better, but I was thinking that this stock was gonna take off today, and I was right. It did take off. It's $1.60 now. I still think it's gonna take off further, but we'll see at the end of the day. I'll probably make another video on this near the end of the day regarding this. And this is probably gonna be the title of the video. Wayland enters South America cannabis market. I guess that's gonna be the title. Group Canopy Growth. Looks like we're having a big, nice green day for all the wheat stocks. Canopy Growth up $1.88, 3.58%. I wish I was holding on to my 500 shares that I had, but no. I was thinking we were still in a volatile market. I didn't expect these wheat stocks to go up. I mean, I still have 6,000 shares of Canopy, but I wish I had that 500 shares that I sold off for a small profit. Kind of sucks that I sold off a little early. Aurora, you know, Aurora's up because Canopy's Aurora will go up. I think Aurora's gonna go to $10 today because Canopy went up quite dramatically. So I think Aurora's just gonna follow soon after. It's gonna take a while. It's like a delay. Maybe, I don't know, I could be wrong. It could decline back to $1.50. I don't think so. The earnings are coming up. I think the stock's gonna ramp up for earnings. I don't know if there's gonna be a massive sell-off after the earnings. That's the gamble you're taking by holding on to the stock while it's earning. So I'm betting on Friday is gonna be a pretty volatile day. We'll see what happens though, but I think there's gonna be a massive sell-off on Friday because, you know, because of earnings, maybe. I don't know. That's just a gamble in my opinion. People might gamble that earnings might be bad and it might be disappointing and the stock might tank. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. If you were in my membership group, you know exactly what I would do. Afria up 33 cents, 2.27. Oh, by the way, on the weekend I'm gonna be making a video on my estimates of Canopy Growth and Aurora earnings. So just like my rough estimate, like where I think the revenue numbers are. I'm not talking about profit. I'm not talking about net income. I'm talking about just pure revenue, where the revenue number is gonna be. I'm gonna make a video dedicated on, you know, the revenue number. I don't know how much profit they're gonna make because the company is in growth stage and they're spending more than they're making, so that's the downfall. Yeah, no, after is up, so Aurora should follow. Yes, going up. Micron Waste Technologies. I wish the stock skyrocketed, but I mean, actually, it doesn't really matter for me. If the stock declines back to 42 cents, makes it a huge buying opportunity. If the stock goes to, you know, 60 cents, selling opportunity in my opinion. So either way is good for me. I think long term, I think when they start selling units to other licensed producers, if they ever sold a unit to Canopy, that stock would definitely go up like 10 cents that day just because of the Canopy name brand. We're selling a unit to Canopy. Blast off. That's all I can say. T-God. Oh, okay, it's starting to decline, but man, this stock has such a high resistance and support at 470. I wouldn't be surprised if the stock goes over $5 for the day. I mean, I still would put a short on. Like, I mean, if I had my margin account, I would put a short on this because I think it's gonna decline back to maybe $4.50 to $4 around there. It's just my opinion, so I would put a short on it if I had a margin account, but I don't, so I'm saving myself from fucking up. I mean, it's rose so much, right? Like one, two, three. Usually after like the third climb or the fourth climb, the stock usually have a reversal. So I'm expecting this stock to totally have a reversal in the short term. I don't think, I mean, it could hit $5, but the higher it goes, the more of a short it becomes, in my opinion. Long term, the stock could go back to $7. Short term, I don't know. I say this stock's going back to $4. If I see a price tag of $4, I would probably buy some stock. But yeah, I don't know. Ianthus, you know, today declined to 706. Ooh. Looks like, I mean, it declined even further in the morning to 689. MPX should be, you know, kind of connected. See, that's a little weird. Like, Ianthus gets like affected big time, while MPX is like not really. I mean, it will probably mirror each other eventually because MPX is gonna merge with Ianthus. But you know, it's weird how like Ianthus and MPX is like a little different from each other. This is my opinion, just slightly weird. Maybe I should just sell off my MPX because Ianthus is showing kind of some weakness, so this is gonna probably reflect it on MPX. I don't know what to do. Nah, I'm still long. I don't know. I'm long term on MPX and Ianthus anyways, so it really doesn't matter if I sell or buy or whatever. This is a stock that I noticed in the morning. It had a 5 cent climb, or a 4 cents climb in the morning. I was like, oh wow, that's good. I mean, I'm in this for the long run. I think the stock is. I honestly believe that this stock is going back to at least the $1.30 level. I don't think it'll ever go back to like the $2 level, but I'm definitely thinking that this stock can go back to at least $1.30. So that's why, you know, that's why I think. That's why I'm not gonna sell off just because I saw a little bit of green today on the stock. I'm waiting for at least a 20 or 30% climb before I consider selling off some of my stock. I could buy more, but this could be a fake climb, and this stock could decline back. I mean, if it goes like below 80 cents, I'm definitely gonna be adding into my position. Yeah, so that's my plan going forward. Terror Attack. Like this is the stock that had a merger yesterday. So I don't know, like this could be a good swing trade stock. This stock could go back to the $2 levels. So I don't know. I mean, they are having a merger, so that's stock delusion. But and I've been with this company for a while. I've followed this company, and I don't know. It's just I don't like their gross margin, and apparently from Midas Letter, it seems like the company they're merging with also has kind of bad management. So I don't know. I would say this. I wouldn't say this is a long-term stock. I would call this a swing trade stock, a trader's stock. So, you know, just buy on the low, sell on the high. And right now it's in the middle. So, I mean, could still make some money off of it, or it could decline back down to $1.60. I don't know for sure. I don't know what's going to happen. Tesla. This stock, you know, won't drop because, I mean, it kind of did in the morning a little bit. But, you know, people just went in and bought it back up. And now it's up $3. Every dollar it goes up, I'm up $50 because I have 48 shares of Tesla. AMD. I don't know, like, what to think of AMD. Like, I don't know if AMD is going to go back to $28. I highly doubt it's going to go back to $28. I mean, anything is possible. I would be more bearish on the stock. The higher it climbs, the more bearish I become. But, I mean, if I had a margin account, probably put a small short on it right now. Like a small, like 500 shares maybe. Around there. Just small. Don't get too greedy. Because I think it's going to decline back to $16. Just my opinion. Thank God I don't, because I probably screw up. So Vivo Cannabis. Why did I bring this Vivo Cannabis up? Why? Because, you know, it's up. No, I'm just kidding. Yesterday I went out and I bought Fireside Cannabis. This is from Vivo Abcan. It used to be called Abcan, but they changed the name to Vivo Cannabis from Abcan Cannabis. But I tried it. The smell, it's okay. The taste, it's okay. I give it like, I mean, it's better than some of the crappy weed I had, but it's not on par with like Aurora and Canopy weed. It might be slightly better than Afrio weed. No, I would say it's better than Afrio weed, but it's not that much better. I say Canopy and Aurora, it has the best product on the market right now. So far, I mean, I'm still trying to hunt for the best cannabis products, but right now it's from my own personal experience. Canopy, Metro Leaf, Aurora have the best products on the market. I still want to try Broken Coast. Haven't been able to find that yet. The weed stores that I've been going into. Oh, funny story yesterday. I was in the Nova store, and I was like, I went inside and it was empty. I was like, are you out of product? They're like, yep, we're out of everything except for these CBD capsules. I'm like, wow. It's just amazing because it was a Monday. I was expecting them to get some inventory, and then I went to Fire and Flower. They had inventory, but they were running low too. And I was talking to like my friends. He says that some of the stores in his area is like sold out too. Nova has also been reducing the hours to 6 p.m. instead of like 10 p.m. because, you know, they have no inventory, so nobody's gonna come and shop. So they, you know, cutting back time and inventory to. I mean, they're cutting back time so they can save some money because, you know, you can't make money if you have no product. And the only reason why people at these weed stores is so they can buy, you know, cannabis products. So this is just, you know, a review on Abcan. I mean, I might try some more products in the future. This is only one of the products. They might have, you know, other products that are better than this product. I'm just saying that I'm not very impressed with this current product that they have right now. The container is pretty cool though. Like, to open the container, I really like how they open the container. You basically squeeze it and then it pops open. It's unlike the other containers where you have to twist it open. I think that's pretty cool how they set it up. Anyways, it should be a 10-minute video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this content. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.